Today, I will show you how to fade out audio in Adobe Audition. Start by making sure you have your audio clip in the timeline. You can either drag and drop your audio directly into Audition, or go to the top menu bar, click on File, hover over Import, and then click on File. A File Explorer window will open where you can locate and add your audio file. Once your audio is imported, make sure you are in the Multitrack session. You can use the gray slider at the bottom to move around your timeline and hold the Control key while using your mouse scroll wheel to zoom in. Now, move to the end of your clip. You'll notice a yellow line running through the center of your audio track. This line represents the volume level. Click once on the line where you want the fade out to begin. Then, move to the very end of your clip and click again to create a second keyframe. Drag the second keyframe down to the bottom until it reaches -infinity. This will gradually lower the volume and create a fade-out effect. To make it smoother, select both keyframes, right-click, and choose Spline Keyframes. And that's it. That's how you can fade out audio in Adobe Audition.